This beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic. This beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body came to party. Grab some blood, work your body, let me see you.
Hi guys. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my makeup sped up, and y'all can see me transform into the catfish that I am. But before this video starts, I want to say that I'm actually wearing this, don't know if you can tell, but I'm wearing a super duper pretty necklace on my neck right now. A wonderful company called, I think it's xoxo jewelry reached out to me like, hey, do you want to check out our name necklaces? And I was like, hell yes, because I love name necklaces so much. So I chose this super pretty necklace off of their site, and I also have a coupon code for you guys because saving money is amazing. Y'all should do it. So I will put the coupon code on the screen and also in the description and everything. It'll also be on my Instagram and everything like that, so you guys can save yourself some money. So this beautiful necklace right here is called the Signature Style Name Necklace, rose gold plated silver, and it's so pretty, and I love the way it like reflects the light. I actually plan on getting this in gold. I think I like accidentally pressed rose gold or whatever, but I'm super happy with it because it's like super dainty and super light and pretty. It's super easy to style. You can literally wear it with anything and it will look good. Mine actually says Shanghai, which is a city in China. It's my favorite city in the whole entire world, literally. Choose whatever word you want. You can choose whatever fonts. They have super cool styles, colors, and they also have like other types of jewelry, which is so dope. So you guys should definitely check them out. I'll link everything, and without further ado, let's begin transforming.